Alright, as you guys can see, we're in Exeter now. Don't mind my job search. I've never done a ride in Exeter for you guys, so late night ride just for you guys. So I'm about to fill up because I've only got 3 bars. Supreme. I'm only putting in £4. Is it in, yeah? Oh, right. Hopefully the camera angle's alright for you guys. I've got a thermostat coming for this bike, yeah. It should be tomorrow. When you guys are watching this video, it should have already been fitted. So hopefully we'll be alright. Because currently the only issue I'm having is, as you guys saw, it's not starting up instantly. ChatGPT, I need to speak camera. ChatGPT says not having a thermostat can cause issues with like starting and shit, because the bike's constantly cold, whatever. Not a mechanic, so yeah, this weather is really horrible. Funnily enough, the weather app, because like it's so accurate, said it weren't going to rain from 7 onwards. It's almost 8 PM and we've got a bit of rain. There is a camera up there. I don't know if that's just a CCTV camera or a speed camera, because bro, I swear some people are so fucking stupid. Yeah. Anyway, that camera, yeah, I don't know if it's speed camera or whatever. Not really trying to find out, if I'm honest with you. Can I fit through there? I can. I've got to be careful because there is sometimes quite a bit of police around there. Right now, these lights confuse the shit out of me. That only shows up. I don't want to go up. I don't know if I can fucking go or not. Oh, I can now. I was paying attention to the car behind me, not them lights. It's a bit confusing them, you know. Ah, it was a nice bike. just cruising, bro. Don't know what the speed limit is around it. I literally don't go to Exeter to the point where I'm probably gonna be over the speed limit quite a bit. I don't drive around there. Woo! I got a message on Tinder. Come on. Stop. Just got to assert dominance, bro, to absolutely f***ing no one. I'm ill as well, just so you guys know, so if I sound a bit dumb or a little bit slow, I mean, I'm normally slow, but like slower than normal, it's because I'm a bit ill. I want to go through the main town and see what's happening. I swear I was just around it, weren't I? Yeah, I've just done a fucking circle myself. Alright. Well then. I was too concentrated on whether there was a car behind me so I could pull into that lane. Fucking hell. Man, I always just went in debt, bro. I'm broke already, so I can't get much broken than what I am now. Oh, that gave me a little scare. I thought Exeter was bigger than this, bro. I go out there? Bro, I'm legit just fucking floating. I hold my clutch, I start fucking weaving, bro. Not allowed out there. Like, I'm kind of lonely. I'm just trying to dig it through town, but I can't fucking find where town is. Co-op. Woo. Woo. No, I'm doing the speed limit he was doing. Ooh, yeah, it's not a zebra crossing, so I'm not stopping. It's so windy! Do I have to turn down here? Are you actually not allowed down there, bruv? I swear you used to be able to drive through, like, the city, bro. And now you can't. Oh. Where does that take me? Into a car park or to death? Can I get down there? Oh, I know where I'm at now. Ow. Might try find people to just fucking take on a little ride. I'm joking. I'm on a CVT. I don't want to lose my license. My insurance is already through the roof. I'm on Tinder, man. Oh, my life is sad. In the space of just under 2 months. So I already took time off for the first crash. First crash was my fault. I took time off for that. No one else was involved, by the way. It was just me. I hit the fucking pavement and lost control. So yeah, I'm very smart. And in the second crash, I got pulled out on, sucked really. and yeah, I ended up losing my job because of that. Exeter's so dead, like, hello, can I go? I can. Why, thank you. I can't see! Quite cold, let me turn my heated grips on. Ah, they don't fucking work! Yeah, I don't know what's happened with my heated grips. I don't know if it's just disconnected somehow. I'll have to check it. Yo, what's good, bro? I don't know what the fuck I'm doing, bro. I'm just done. Just done. High beams are still on. Good evening. Sorry, white girl music just makes me want to do just criminal activity, bro. Is that valid?